Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese handy, full guide. Begin by heating oil and butter in a heavy pan, then sauté ginger and garlic until aromatic. Add pureed tomatoes and simmer until the oil separates, then fold in crumbled paneer and cream. Finish with garam masala and kasuri methi, adjusting salt and heat. Serve hot with naan or rice for a comforting meal that balances rich creaminess and warm spices. Start with a clear sequence: whole spices, aromatics, tomato base, and paneer at the end. After tempering spices, cook onions and garlic to golden, then add tomato puree and reduce until oil separates. Crumble paneer into the simmering sauce and add cream, stirring gently to combine. Taste for salt and spice, then finish with kasuri methi for a floral note. Keep heat low to meld flavors slowly. Plate your cheese handy with fresh cilantro and a swirl of cream to highlight its richness. Offer buttered naan or fragrant jeera rice as perfect companions that soak up the sauce. For variation, try adding spinach, bell peppers, or a touch of smoked paprika for depth. Adjust cream and spice levels to personal taste, and rest the dish briefly off heat so flavors settle before serving to your guests or family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.